Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. So I am still doing a video every day the month of December. I'm calling it Vlogmas, like lots of other YouTubers. So this is so much fun. We are going strong on all these videos and I'm just loving it. And so today, it's gonna be a super quick video, but I'm going to prep some snacks for the week. I love prepping snacks, but sometimes I kind of get busy prepping breakfast and lunch and everything else and kind of forget about the snacks. And so we definitely want to have lots of healthy snacks ready to go so we don't grab some junk food. So I have these containers that I've had for a while. If you've been around my channel, they are got on Amazon, of course. I can link them in the description if you want to check them out on Amazon. We have these awesome colorful lids, really great quality, super thick. They're plastic, but really great thickness and really good quality. And I love the sizes of each containers. You can portion stuff out. So I've been seeing a lot of adult Lunchables, and my kids aren't really into Lunchables yet. They might be when they get a little bit older, but these adult Lunchables are very similar. So I'm gonna have some ham, cheese, crackers, and blueberries. So this will be a really great snack to grab on the go. My husband can grab these and take them to work. And so my kids like this stuff too, but I want to make these for us. So hopefully they don't steal all these. So I'm just going to put everything into my containers, and these snacks will be ready to go for the week. So not cooking anything today. Everything is already ready to go. No cook. So it makes it super simple. Really quick and really easy. So I hope that you're having a great week this week. I will get all of this prepped, and hopefully this gives you some ideas to prep up some snacks as well as your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because you can't forget snacks. You don't want to grab something super unhealthy and ruin all of the good eating you've been doing. So especially around the holidays, lots of extra celebrating, extra eating and drinking. So we want to make sure we're nice and healthy when we can be. So I'll get all of this portioned out. I'll just set out my containers, and I'll put each thing into their little compartments.
All right, like I said, I just love these containers and the size is so perfect. So I have my ham cut into little squares, just like a Lunchable would be. I have my cheese. I'm going to use cheddar cheese. It's my favorite. So just a slice of cheddar cheese in each compartment for each set. And then I have my Ritz crackers. I love the whole wheat Ritz crackers. They are just a little bit healthier, I feel like, and they just taste better to me, in my opinion. And then I have my blueberries. I've already washed these because we've had them around for a few days. We've been eating them, but everything is all portioned out.
All right, so these snacks are ready to go. They're super convenient, great for on the go. I just love the colorful lids, so I'll just snap them on, and then I'll just keep these in the refrigerator, and anytime we need a snack in the middle of the day between meals, we can grab these adult Lunchables. I might share them with the kids too, but we'll see. But these are really great to have on hand. So check out these containers on Amazon if you need some that are perfect for snacks, which these are definitely perfect for snacks. Check these out. I'll link them in the description, like I said. And subscribe to my channel if you are new, if you haven't been here before. I do lots of healthy meal prepping, breakfast and lunch. This December, doing a video every day of all kinds of ideas. So check back often. There'll be tons of videos this month, and it's been really fun making them. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification. Thanks for watching this super simple snack prep, super easy. Anybody could do this. And now we have snacks ready to go for the next 4 days. I hope that you have a great rest of your day today, and I'll see you tomorrow on my next vlog. Bye-bye.